I've chosen our Stardust White 2014 to pair with our appetizer because it's a white wine, but is not so simple. It's a complex wine made with 4 varieties. So basically, the acidity, and when I talk about acidity, I mean the crisp and the refreshing notes given by the Sauvignon Blanc and by the Riesling, cuts through the sweet tendency and the fatness given by the noodles, given by the crustaceous and the rice vinegar, and the softness given by the Oak Chardonnay and the Cabernet Franc, a red varieties, because in this white blend there is also a red variety, is perfect to contrast the bitterness given in the appetizer by the egg fish.
Trust